In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Wix and Constant Contact. To get started, log into your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your website, apps, and connected tools. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Apps section. From there, open the App Market. The App Market is where Wix lets you browse and install integrations that extend your site's functionality, including email marketing tools like Constant Contact. When the App Market opens, use the search bar to look for Constant Contact. Make sure you select the official app card so you are connecting the correct integration. This is important because the official app is designed to work directly with Wix and helps ensure a smoother connection between both platforms. After opening the app page, click Add to Site. Wix may then show a confirmation screen, asking you to review and approve permissions. Click Agree and Add to Continue. These permissions allow Wix and Constant Contact to share the information needed for the integration to work properly. In most cases, this includes syncing contact data between the two platforms. Next, you will be prompted to log into your Constant Contact account. Enter your account credentials on the secure login screen to continue. Once you are signed in, Constant Contact will ask you to authorize the connection. Click Allow to approve the data sync between Wix and Constant Contact. This authorization step is what links the two platforms together. Once approved, Wix can communicate with Constant Contact and send the necessary data through the integration. If the connection does not happen right away, give it a moment and make sure you completed each prompt fully before closing the window. As a helpful tip, it is a good idea to stay signed into both accounts before starting the setup. That can make the process quicker and reduce interruptions during the connection flow. Also, be sure you are working from the correct Wix site if you manage more than one, since the app will be added to the site you currently have open. Once the authorization is complete, your Wix site and Constant Contact account should now be connected. At that point, the integration is in place and ready to support your email marketing workflow. That covers everything you need to know.